What if one chat window could replace your entire marketing team? No account managers, no video editors, no designers, no tool hopping. Just you, a prompt, and an AI that watches your competitors, builds your ads, and ships finished content. That's what we're breaking down today. And once you see what this thing actually does, you'll never look at content creation the same way again. Hey there, so if you're new here, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below, like this video, and subscribe. All right, now let's get into it. On May 14th, 2026, a company called Higgsfield AI dropped something called the Supercomputer. Now, before you picture a giant room full of blinking servers, stop. This isn't that. Higgsfield. Supercomputer is a cloud-native AI agent. That means it lives entirely in your browser or in Telegram. No downloads, no setup, no local compute required. Here's what it actually does. You type what you want in plain language. Something like, make a TikTok ad for my sneaker brand. And Supercomputer doesn't just write a script. It plans the whole thing out, picks the right AI models automatically, routes between systems like GPT 5.5, Claude Opus 4.7, and Gemini 3.1 Pro, generates the visuals, and delivers a finished asset, all in one chat. Most AI tools do one thing. They generate a clip, or they write copy, or they do research. You pick the tool, you do the work, you move to the next tool. Higgsfield Supercomputer does all of it in one continuous loop without you babysitting every step. That's the actual difference. Here's the thing, most people are getting wrong right now. They're still using AI like it's a smarter version of Google. They open ChatGPT, type a question, get an answer, close the tab, and then they wonder why AI has not changed anything for them yet. The real shift in 2026 isn't about better prompts. It's about agentic AI, systems that don't just answer you, but actually execute full tasks from start to finish without needing you at every step. Agentic AI tools have been documented to reduce task completion time by up to 76% compared to doing things manually. And according to a recent marketing industry report, the agentic AI market is on track to reach nearly $11 billion in 2026 alone. The people winning right now aren't asking better questions. They're delegating entire workflows to AI systems and stepping back. Higsfield Supercomputer is one of the first tools built to make that actually possible for regular people, not just big teams with engineers on staff. Let me walk you through what this thing does under the hood. When you type a task into Supercomputer, it doesn't send your words to one AI model. It breaks your task into steps, picks the best model for each step, executes them in sequence, and hands you back a finished product. It has got over 40 built-in tools, things like script writing, character design, video generation, audio mixing, and quality checking. And it doesn't just run them once. If something looks off, it loops back and fixes it automatically. There are also 3 layers of memory built in: short-term memory for your current session, mid-term memory that remembers your project context, and long-term memory that stores your brand guidelines and past campaigns so every new project starts smarter than the last. Most tools forget everything the moment you close the tab. This one gets better the more you use it. It learns your brand voice. It learns what content performs for you. The more work you give it, the faster and more accurate it becomes. Before we keep going, I want to pause here because a lot of people watch videos like this, nod along, and then don't thing with it. The gap between watching and executing is exactly where most people get stuck. That's why I set up a link for you to try Higgsfield Supercomputer directly. You can go right now to the link in the description and check it out yourself. There's a special offer attached too. Go take it for a spin. Then come back and keep watching because the next part is where it gets really interesting. Here's a moment that kind of shook the AI world a few weeks before Supercomputer launched. Higgsfield produced a 23-minute sci-fi film called Hellgrind, fully AI generated in just 4 days. Not 4 months, 4 days. This wasn't a short demo clip. It was a full episode with consistent characters, real story beats, and cinematic quality. The kind of thing that would have taken a traditional animation studio 50 people and 6 months to produce. Then just this week, it came out that Hellgrind is heading to the Cannes film market as part of a production partnership with the director of The Mask. That's how real this is getting. Higgsfield built the supercomputer as the infrastructure that made that film possible, and now they're putting that same system into the hands of creators and entrepreneurs. The question is, what are you going to build with it? Here's where Higgsfield Supercomputer does something no other AI agent can do right now. Most AI agents are blind to video. They read a transcript, they get a description, but they never actually watch the video. Supercomputer watches it frame by frame, audio track analysis, hook detection. It figures out the exact moment that grabs a viewer's attention, breaks down the pacing and editing rhythm, and then uses all of that to recreate or adapt content for your brand. Imagine pasting a TikTok URL of a competitor's top performing video. Supercomputer analyzes the whole thing and rebuilds it with your product and your brand voice, not a copy. An adaptation built around real data. The agency world has been charging $25,000 to $250,000 for TV-grade ad campaigns. Higgsfield Supercomputer has a built-in workflow that produces commercial quality output from a single prompt right now. Okay, I need to be real with you here because I see this happen every time a new AI tool drops. People jump in, type one prompt, get something mediocre, and say the tool doesn't work. The mistake is treating Supercomputer like a one-shot generator. You type something, you get something, done. That's not how this is designed. The power is in the loop. It's built around what they call a flywheel. You find a market gap, you build a product or find a supplier, you create a brand kit, you launch content, you run ads, you read reviews, you reposition, you go again. The people winning with this tool aren't using it once. They're setting it up as an ongoing system. Skills level up the more you use them. Memory grows, the agent gets smarter on your specific work. Treat it like a team member, not a vending machine. Here's something I want to share because I think it's relevant right now. I never wanted a huge company or a bunch of stress. I just wanted something that paid well and gave me my time back. That was the whole goal from day one. That's why tools like this matter to me personally. When I started out, the only way to run a real marketing operation was to hire a team: designers, writers, video editors, account managers. It was expensive, it was exhausting, and half the time you were still babysitting people who didn't care as much as you did. What Higgsfield Supercomputer represents is the first real version of that original dream. A complete creative operation you can run from a single chat window. You're the strategist. The AI does the execution. And that's not hype. That's literally what the tool is designed to do and why it's worth paying attention to right now. Let me give you a few specific ways people are using this right now. First, content factories. Tell Supercomputer to find the top 10 performing videos in your niche from the last 30 days, analyze why they worked, and recreate them adapted for your brand. Every single Monday. Automated. You wake up to fresh, optimized content built around what actually went viral, not what you guessed might work. Second, personalized outreach. Drop your brand guidelines into Drive, paste a list of prospects. Supercomputer learns how you write, drafts unique emails, each personalized to a specific company, attaches finished ad creative, and queues everything in your Gmail drafts. You review, hit send. Third, product research and launch. Drop a niche. Supercomputer scans for high demand and low supply, sources suppliers, generates hero images and product descriptions, and calculates your margin. A full go-to-market in one chat. None of these require a background in tech. They run on natural language. You describe what you want, you approve the steps, you collect the output. The barrier to entry here is genuinely low, which is exactly why right now is the time to get ahead of it. Here's a piece most people are sleeping on right now. Higsfield has a skills marketplace. Think of skills like apps you install, a TV ad skill, a cinematic flow skill, a user-generated content skill, a podcast skill that produces hour-long two-host AI podcast episodes from a single prompt. These skills level up over time the more you use them, and you can install skills others have already built, share your own, and build on proven workflows. It's a community-driven system that gets better for everyone. Plus, Supercomputer connects to over 27 services: Slack, Google Drive, Notion, Gmail, GitHub, YouTube, Figma, and more. The work lands where you already work. No copy-paste, no manual uploads, no round trips. All right, 2 things before I let you go. First, go try Higgsfield Supercomputer. The link is below, and there's a special offer attached. Take it for a spin. See what it does inside a real project. Drop a product link, a TikTok URL, anything. Watch it actually go to work. Hands-on experience is going to teach you more than any video. Second, if you're watching this and thinking, okay, this AI stuff is real, but how do I actually turn it into consistent income? That's exactly what my free AI Cashflow Masterclass covers. It's a step-by-step breakdown of how to identify businesses that are behind on AI, how to offer them services they're already willing to pay for, and how to build a repeatable system around it. It also includes a free 30-day trial of the all-in-one software I use to run my own client operations. For the kinds of tasks we talked about today, it's honestly one of the most powerful platforms out there. The link is in the description and pinned in the first comment. That's it for today. Drop your questions below. Nick reads every single one. See you in the next video.